So we are starting Dome Plateau, supposedly a medium trail. I've never been on it, but a friend of mine, Dewey, says it's a pretty good trail, so nice easy trail to kind of relax on but still have some good views. So hopefully it's a good trail and we have some fun and I don't break anything. We'll see what happens. So far, not too bad. Just some little rocky climbs. Nothing that low and slow can't easily conquer. Funtrex rates this as a moderate trail. There is 0 cell signal throughout the whole area, so keep that in mind while planning your trip. There were a ton of smaller trails weaving back and forth across the main Jeep trail, so I had to keep stopping and verifying which way I was supposed to go, but with the GPS and the map I was able to get through it. know, I'm breaking my own rule. I am wheeling alone. I'm trying to be careful, but no one wanted to be here. No one else wanted to come out, so I need to get this work done. So I'm doing it. Sorry. Unfortunately, I only had the one good GoPro, and I wanted to do a hyperlapse on the trail out because it looked really neat and was super fun to drive with the high-speed sections. At this point in the trail, the map said the more fun route was to the left, so I took the left. I really wish I would have stopped the hyperlapse to do regular video because it was a super fun section with some big rocks and really fun ledges. Dome Plateau. It was a neat trail. It was a little longer than I was expecting it to be. A lot of just gravelly, bumpy dirt roads. So I think next time I do that one, it's going to be just that trail by itself that day, because I'm looking at getting back in town at 6:30, because I dumped out 40 miles away from town. So that's going to be a one trail by itself day. Not going to pair that with Onion Creek like it did today. But it was a fun trail. Definitely worth doing. So I'll add that to my list. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, keep on jeeping.